Hello everyone, today I am going to discuss about another type of memory known as charge coupled device, or in short CCD. So what is a CCD? It is basically a type of dynamic memory in which packets of charges or packets of electrons are continuously transferred from one MOSFET device to another MOSFET device. So as the name suggests, you can see there are three parts. One is charge, another is coupled, another is devices. So that means the charge or the electrons that will be coupled with another device. So from the name it is clear that the charge will be continuously coupled, or charge will be continuously transferred from one device to another device, and here the device is MOSFET. So now coming to the basic structure of an N-channel MOSFET. This is the basic structure of a N-channel MOSFET. As you all know, a MOSFET has three terminals: source, drain and gate. So this one is the source, this one is the drain, and this one is the gate. As it is an N-channel MOSFET, so the body of the MOSFET is formed of a P substrate, and two heavily doped N plus regions are diffused into that P substrate. And above that P substrate, there is a layer of silicon dioxide. Okay, this layer basically serves the purpose of insulation. Now, two metallic terminals, source and drain, they are embedded into that P substrate, and as you can see here, both the source and drain, they make direct contact with these N plus regions. So there is another metallic terminal known as gate that is also formed on this silicon dioxide layer. This is the gate. Now when we kept the gate open and we are applying a voltage VDD between the source and the drain, such that the N plus region below the drain and the P substrate, they become reverse biased, so that no current flows from the drain to the source. Now when the gate is made positive with respect to the source by applying the voltage VGS, then what will happen? As this terminal is positive, so this positive terminal will repel all the holes from the region beneath the gate. That means beneath the gate all the holes will be repelled and there will be a layer of electrons, and beneath the electrons there will be a layer of holes, or the positive charges, as you can see in the figure. Due to these positive charges, a layer of negative charges will be induced in the P substrate like this. So this negative charges will be coupled with another MOSFET device, or these charges in the form of packets will get transferred to another MOSFET device. So the name is charge coupled device. a charge coupled device can have a number of MOSFETs. Here I have shown only one such a MOSFET. Okay. Now coming to, okay, there is another point that this layer of charge formed in a MOSFET is also known as potential well. Okay, this is known as potential well. So we can say that this potential well is capable of accepting a packet of negative charges, and data in the form of charge is transferred from one device to the adjacent device by clocking their gates. Now this CCD memory is inherently serial, and practical memories are constructed in the form of shift registers, and by controlling the timing of the clock signals applied to the shift registers, data can be accessed one bit at a time from a single register or several bits at a time from multiple registers. Now coming to the applications of this CCD, it has a huge application in all kinds of modern cameras, like in digital camera, in web cameras, and also in space telescopes.